How are you? Welcome to English with JL. In this video, you will learn 100 verbs that will help you to improve your ability in English. Let's start right now. To be. To be. To have. To have. To do. To do. To say. To say. To go. To go. To make. To make. To know. To know. To think. To think. To take. To take. To get. To get. To see. To see. To want. To want. To cook. To cook. To use. To use. To find. To find. To give. To give. To tell. To tell. To work. To work. To call. To call. To try. To try. To ask. To ask. To need. To need. To feel. To feel. To become. To become. To live. To live. To put. To put. To mean. To mean. To keep. To keep. To let. To let. To begin. To begin. To seem. To seem. To help. To help. To talk. To talk. To turn. To turn. To start. To start. To show. To show. To hear. To hear. To play. To play. To run. To run. To move. To move. To live. To live. To believe. To believe. To hold. To hold. To bring. To bring. to happen, to happen, to write, to write, to provide, to provide, to sit, to sit, to stand, to stand, to lose, to lose, to pay, to pay, to meet, to meet, to include, to include, to continue, to continue, to sit, to sit, to learn, to learn, to change, to change, to lead, to lead, to understand, to understand, to watch, to watch, to follow, to follow, to stop, to stop, to create, to create, to speak, to speak, to read, to read, to allow, to allow, to add, to add, to spend, to spend, to grow, to grow, to open, to open, to rock, to rock, to win, to win, to offer, to offer, to remember, to remember, to love, to love, to consider, to consider, to appear, to appear, to bind, to bind, to wait, to wait, to serve, to serve, to dine, to dine, to send, to send, to expect, to expect, to build, to build, to stay, to stay, to fall, to fall, to cat, to cat, to reach, to reach, to kill, to kill, to women, to women, to suggest, to suggest, to raise, to raise, to pass, to pass, to sell, to sell, to require, to require, to report, to report, to decide, to decide, to pull, to pull, to discuss, to discuss, to describe, to describe. It was a nice pleasure to share with you 100 verbs. They will help you to improve your capacity in speaking English. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll love you in English with JL.